Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be forming uh, one more part of the Chhattisgarh district, that is Korea, and this was formed in 1998. The district headquarters is Bakundpur. Mother district from which it was formed is Sarguja. Neighboring districts are three: Surajpur, Korba and Gareli, Pendra, Marwai. So we have neighboring state, that is Madhya Pradesh, and the tehsil are Manendragarh, Bakunpur, Bharatpur, Janakpur, Sonhat, and Khadavgaon. Again, it has a block, that is Manendragarh, Bakunpur, Bharatpur, Janakpur, Sonhat, and Khadavgaon. We have municipal corporation 1, that is Chirmiri. Municipal council are 3: Manendragarh, Bakunpur, and Charcha. Now look at it. It goes to the National Highway 43. Geological rock series is Gondwana series, that is coal belt. This is not an extension of Dharwad rock series. Coal areas are, mineral areas we can say, are Charcha, Chirmiri, Katkona, Kurasiya, Jilmil, Jagarkhand, Sohagpur, Sonhat, which is called as semi-coking coal, is found here. Now the tribes are Kol and Bhil. National Park is Guru Ghazidas National Park, established in 1981, and its area is 1441 square kilometer, which is called as biggest national park of Chhattisgarh. Previously called Sanjay National Park in Korea and Surajpur, now it's named as Guru Ghazidas National Park. It has river on Hasdeo River, that which covers an area of 176 km, and the river origin from the Devgarh mountain, that is Kaimur mountain series. Other rivers are Gopad and Banas. Waterfalls, it has waterfall of Amrit Dara on Hasdeo River. Tapsi Baba Ashram is also situated here. Then they have the Ghavar Ghat, Ankuri Nala, Ramdaha, which are some of the other waterfall or river areas. Tourism areas are Kotadol, idol of Ashok era are found, and we have Murergarh, ancient fort and temple and hill station. Harchauka, ancient temple of god and goddess and caves. So the best speciality is that it lies on the Tropic of Cancer, which passes through this district. Latitude is 23 and a half. State, that is Korea and Changbhakar. Changbhakar is situated on Devgarh mountain, which covers an area of 1333 meter. Kaimur mountain, which is a part of Vindhyachal mountain series, and maximum part of Korea is a part of eastern Bundelkhand plateau. Now this is the map of Korea district. As we can see, the northern side has Changbhakar, Devgarh mountains. This is Har Chauka, Bharatpur, Janakpur area, Ramdha waterfall, and Guru Ghazidas National Park, which was previously Sanjay Gandhi National Park. This is Sonhat, Shivpur Charcha, Kursiya temples, which contains Sohagpur, Gawar Ghat, that is waterfall, Amritdhara waterfall, Bakunpur, Jhilmili, and it covers the area NH43, and this is Manindragarh, Chirmiri, and this is Khadwa. So the speciality of Korea is that the Tropic of Cancer passes through it. So with this, I will end the video. If you like the video, kindly like and subscribe. Thank you so much.